little artist. Are you ready to learn something exciting today? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a shell, a beach shell. You must have seen on the beaches. So have you ever wondered that you can even create your own beach shell? For that, I had taken A4 sheet. Now you can pick your sketchbooks, drawing notebooks, any, and start making your shell. So here I am going to draw a simple V shape like this, going from down to upward and then from here towards down. Now once your V shape is drawn, then little curve like this. आप सबने देखा होगा कि शेल पे ऐसे डिजाइन होता है ऊपर. So we are going to make it like this. Now the next part is to give a little design here. For that, what I am going to do, a little V kind of shape and little curve shape here like this. The next step is to draw a semicircle at the bottom like this. Now once this has done, just slowly make the lines from the top to the bottom, joining the circle. This, it's very easy, this. So now our shell is drawn. The next is we are going to do the sketching with the black marker or the sketch pen, and for that I will go very slowly on the lines like and this. And now rotating my page little bit, first make the circle, semicircle, and then make the lines on it. It look nice and not messy. Once you draw all the lines, then the next step is to erase the lines which are visible, but with very light hands. Don't rub it hard, otherwise our black color will be visible on the white parts. Clean my shell drawing, and now it's time to add colors in it. So what I'm going to do, as you had seen, the shells are normally with the beige shade, white shade, brown, little oranges. So I'm going to fill with little peach shade. And for this, as I told you, that we have to fill colors in an upward and downward position, or left to right, very slowly, filling all the parts of the shell. Isn't it looking nice? And our shell taking a shape. Can you see my strokes? It's up and down. Okay? Like this. And now, if you had ever seen the texture on a shell, there are some lines now. So for giving that texture, I am picking a brown color, little darker shade, and going like this. So it will give a look of a texture of a shell like this. Is it visible? This we will complete a shell with the strokes coming from upward towards the downward. This, all the parts of the shell. I hope the texture is visible very clearly. Can you see? Like this way our shell is complete. And now the most important part of the artwork is that I'm going to write here that I learned on KidsNagri. Now you can write the same, or you can write I love KidsNagri. It's up to you. So here the artwork is complete. So stay tuned with me. Next time I'm going to bring more different designs, more different artworks for you. Till then, keep creating, keep discovering, and keep coloring. Bye-bye.